Hi my loves, today I bring to you an amazing video on how to make Nigeria pepper stew. If you are someone that loves stew and you have been wanting to make this type of stew in your house, this video is for you. And for our students, thank you very much for learning so fast and being the best. So if you want to join our community, you see our Telegram link, you join us for just a token. You learn how to make different delicacy, especially Nigerian delicacy, and you enjoy yourself. This is not the time for you to come and join our community today. With just 10,000 naira, you learn how to cook up to 10 to 15 dishes that will help you build your home, that will help you as a student and others. So this video is how to make that stew, and I'm sure you are going to love it. So guys, watch this video to the end to grab everything I will do in this video.
I go sell all my property for our wedding ceremony. Asam pete wanyoma, your love they sweet me die yo. Asa, now you be the one way I love you. Asa, then the talk say I go leave you, but na lie yo. Asa, asa, if you name me my sobugo. Asa, I beg you, make you no break in my heart. Oh. Asa. Anything you want, I go buy you. Asa, asama. If my money no reach, I go borrow. Asa, asama. I don't know what I do to deserve the love of a woman like you. Asam pete wanyoma, your love they sweet me well. Asa, now you with me go leave. Asa, if I don't marry you, I go die. Asa. Asa, it be like say I don't crazy. Asa, your love they turn me around. Asa, asa, asa better one your man. Asa, asa, omale chama. Asa, asa, asa better one your man. Asa, omale chama. Asa, asa. Asam pete wanyoma. Asa, omale chama. Asa, enene bejolo, omo masaro. Asa, achalugo, enene bukwe. Asa, asa, asam pete wanyoma. Asa, asa, asam pete wanyoma. Asa.
You are taking me around. I have never landed. Are you a graduate?
Yes, sir.
You're a graduate.
Yes, sir.
I foresee why you started with this high colors aplenty. Hey, Shineke. Okay, for graduate is sweet.
Very sweet.
Which course?
Environmental science.
Eh?
Environmental science.
Environmental.
Yes, oil
What
pollution.
are you doing funding a dustbin? You know environmental.
Yes. I specialize in oil pollution and waste management. We have different areas.
West.
Waste management, oil pollution
What
and
are
waste
you
management.
needing that kind course of environmental? That is in the neighborhood. You know, I don't like that course. Environmental. You are too vivacious. Environmental. You know, I'm a man that likes when you go to